Welcome to Perry Academy Microschool. We offer welcoming spaces designed to encourage positive behavior and an enriching learning experience. Our learning spaces include areas for collaborative study, access to resources, and a kitchen area for practical life skills. Our mission is to ignite a passion for learning and discovery by providing a nurturing, small group environment where personalized, community-based, and hands-on instruction empowers each student to develop their unique talents, build strong character, and achieve their full potential. Our tailored educational approach divides students into 4 learning groups. This ensures instruction is specifically designed to meet each child's unique gifts and individual needs. Our teachers, Mrs. Moss and Mrs. Perry, bring over 45 years of combined experience in working with children with exceptional needs. They are both licensed teachers with master's degrees in special education. Perry Academy is a school that feels like home. Our building is designed to provide a comfortable and familiar setting for our students. We have exciting updates coming soon to enhance our learning environment. Your child deserves the Perry Academy difference. We are interviewing now for our summer and fall 2026 programs.